Hey guys, thank you for watching. For today's video, I'm going to do a review on the all-you-can-eat buffet place called Gens in Ala Moana Mall. It's $16 for all you can eat for the lunch special, which I kind of mentioned it before on my first full week of eating video, and I can't believe they're still in business because it's super cheap. That's super cheap in Hawaii. But yeah, we've been here about 4 or 5 times since then. So I'll give you guys some shots from inside, show you all the keto friendly food. I said it last time and I'll say it again. I don't even know how those guys stay in business. 4 of us stuffed was less than 70 bucks. Just a real quick review immediately after the meal. The meat is really good. Last time I mentioned that they didn't have any spicy food sauces, but all you have to do is ask, and they bring the crazy sauce, which is really good, and then they have like a miso, kind of spicy miso sauce. Alright guys, so I've gone back to that restaurant several times since I recorded that video. Nothing major has changed. The only thing was that the last time I went was for Valentine's Day, and the lunch, which is normally at $15.99, that day was at regular price, which was I think $26.99. Now the meat and everything is still worth it, but it's a little more money than I want to spend. So I wouldn't recommend it at regular price, which is at dinner time. I would definitely recommend it for lunchtime though, because $15.99 is hard to beat. Also, Korean Yakiniku places are very keto friendly as long as you're staying away from the pre-marinated meats. So anything in teriyaki or barbecue sauce, you should be okay as far as carbs are concerned. But definitely be aware, and if you need to, go ahead and ask the waiters if the meat that you're ordering, if it's pre-marinated, if it has sugar or honey or something like that. You know, to me, it's better safe than sorry. So just get the raw meat, and then once you cook it, dip it in some olive oil or some salt. But definitely this restaurant and most Yakiniku restaurants are a keto must go. So hopefully you have a restaurant like this where you live and you get to enjoy Yakiniku food whenever you want. If not, remember, you can make this on your own. Just buy thinly cut meats and just put them on a grill, dip it in some spicy sauce, some you know, whatever your favorite low carb sauces are, and then you just can't go wrong with it. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Check out my Patreon account if you haven't done so. I also have some t-shirt designs. I have some keto and some inspirational t-shirt designs. Everything is in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and then I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye.